In the previous video, we looked at how to set up our project in Swift using Xcode and about the purpose of the app. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to define a correct structure for our iOS app to keep the source files of the project organized, and also we're going to take a small tour about the MVC Design Pattern in iOS. Let's open Xcode to start to defining the structure of our iOS app. Okay, so let's select the folder of our project called Image Searcher, and then right-click to see the menu where we are going to select and create a new group. The groups are folders we can create to keep the structure of our project organized. Let's put the name of Models to the group. Define two more groups in the same way, called Views and Controllers. Then, for each of the group, link them to an actual directory in your project path by opening their File Inspector on the right. Hit the little grey folder icon and create a new subfolder with the name of the group in the project directory. In the Models groups, we will keep all the source files referring to all the data of our app. In the View groups, we are going to keep all the code related to the user interface view. And in the Controllers group, we will define all the source code for the controllers, or in the case of iOS, the View controllers. Let's start by deleting the file viewcontroller.swift by just making a right click and delete, and then move it to trash. Now we need to move the main.storyboard to the group Views by arranging inside the group. For now, we have all the projects organized. For all, it comes next. We are going to talk a little about one of main design patterns used in iOS to understand better the structure defined in our project, the MVC Design Pattern. In the MVC Design Pattern, we have three kinds of objects: the controllers, views, and the models. This pattern defines a separation of concerns that keeps the whole code organized in one of the three kinds of objects as mentioned before. In the MVC pattern, the controller has the role of be middleman between the model and the view without one knowing about the other. For example, let's think about making a click inside a button to show pictures. In this case, the view generates an event and is captured by the controller that requests the data to the model. The model then gets a new data, and the controller passes back this data to the view to be rendered. For a deeper explanation on MVC, refer to. There are some other architectural design patterns used in iOS, like the MVVM and Viper. For better understanding of these, refer to. In this video, we learnt about the structure of our app and some about the MVC design patterns. In the next video, we will start to construct the user interface we are going to use in our app.